nearly want wheat to buy. See that. Yes, in the plant apple as well. Nice day out. You wanna go inside? Okay, it's open. Look at that. Beautiful. This is where the farm workers from Jamaica come. Let's go have a tour, see what's going on. Even though there's nothing much on the farm, I'd assume winter is just finished and it's coming on to spring. There's sheep over there. Look. These are the sheeps. Greenhouse. Oh, that's their houses inside the sheep's barn. Look at them. Let's have a tour of the greenhouse. Wow, this is pretty. The aquatic source. So these are all grown by water. Oh, nice. Hydro. Look at that.
Then eventually them all fish are going out.
Oh, fish.
One of them. 6 of them.
Yeah.
I got the fish going out.
Okay. So this is a fish farm alongside. What is lettuce? Lettuce farm, fish farm. This is the wonders that Jamaicans work in Canada. Hydro planting of lettuce and raising fish. There's no fish inside as yet, but soon they will be inside. Yeah, fish tank, right? There's no fish inside as yet, but there's lettuce. Yeah, this is a big setup system. Yeah, the farm is cool, right? Plants are germinated here under LED lights. Yeah. Oh, for the hydro? For the plants, them?
Yeah.
So this is the filtered water?
Yeah, you will just know. Now put through this way chemical.
Oh, okay.
So when the fish thing coming out, that one I go start.
I'm gonna get the fish in like baby stage, right?
I mean, I know what they're about.
So they support the fish down there and they support the plants over here. Cool, isn't it? So this is where they put all the chemicals and nutrients that the plants need to grow. And this I would assume is their mineralization tank, skimmer valves. So I guess this is where all the magic happens and goes from here. And these are the results. Isn't that a work of art? Beautiful. So, yeah. Oh, you gotta transfer these now, transplant these. So within germination and to a mature plant, how long does this take?
So it's like
6 weeks. Oh.
weeks after germination.
And you have to constantly run these lights or just
Yeah.
special kind of LED lights? Yeah. Yeah.
So basically the seed, yeah, water.
This all water, right? So there's no dirt.
All water.
Water.
Yeah.
Water.
Yeah.
Yes, no dirt at all.
Straight water. Impressive. So after here, you put them over there?
Yes, we just transplant with all of these.
Yeah.
We just transplant over these. Never plant but these now.
Oh, you put those here and put them here. And these stay here for how long?
It depends. 2 hours.
Oh, okay.
And every week we cook.
So what kind of lettuce are these?
I just mix lettuce. There's a green one and that. Because you just see the one up the top.
They're
grow
fully
a little
grown?
bit bigger than that.
And these are the same thing down here, so? Oh, these are kale.
That's the patty.
Look at that. Farm tea. Technology. So you have to keep a certain temperature, right? You have to keep a certain temperature inside here, right?
Yes. Where's that for them now? Dirty.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
This is one little section at the top.
Yeah. So like the lamb, them you know, do like lamb and
Cold,
okay, so you have a butcher farm as well. Oh no, chicken as well. So it's a whole combination of everything, you know, the poultry and everything, eggs and all these things. Yeah, 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 I can imagine that. So like, can you get the fish and like, what's the, like, how long before the fish will reach maturity where you take them out? Oh, you never, it's the first time thing? Oh, okay. Oh, okay, so you got to reach your first time now. So these are almost full. And these are like what, like you have Romanian and what you call these? Mixed lettuce, okay.
Romanian and the different.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Romanian, you have iceberg.
Yeah. Yeah, this is very cool. Yeah. So once the temperature get too hot, so it's all controlled by our device. So once you get too hot, this automatically open. Nice. Oh, look at it. It's some, so I'm gonna trim them as well. Yeah.
They don't really come out, they stay too.
Oh, they don't come to buy me, right?
Why would the sheep come to bite you?
What am I looking?
Yeah, look like some plastic over here, sir. Squash melon and them stuff. So the farm go all the way back around, come back around. The guys are preparing for farming soon. Just prepare the greenhouse them now. So until the rest of the guys then come up from Jamaica, them come start farming up. Too windy. This is like a 10-month season or like 8 months? 8 months. Yeah, depending on the weather. So after season, off season, one of them to keep the land fertilized.
No, we fertile.
Like after reaping. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, so you guys cover this for to avoid weed growing or what? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sheep's over here. So no milk to sheep them as well.
He's delicious. Bite him.
Nope. You don't want me, I'm too tough. Bye. Alright, let's go to the next spot now to see what's going on. The farm is so big I need to drive to the next part of the farm. Anyway, let's go over there. Next location. I guess this was the farm workers' house where everyone go. And I guess that would be a cottage over there as well, some clothes outside. Oh, they're inside here. Yes, I'm on there. So what is these now? Yeah. Oh, linen clothes. Okay. So this is the first process of your expensive linen clothes. Here it is.
So, this is it. I know you what to do.
Look at this. Who would have thought? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, the machine did the same thing. But if the machine broke down, here you go. So if you are a female and want a wig to buy, see it, you can go up in here as well. I want to go spray. Hold it. Right. Voila. Look at that. So, this is what makes your expensive clothes. So after you do this, what you do is you package it and send it off to the next process.
Yeah. So it's a whole process where you go through.
Yeah. This is nice. You see like almost like falls here, because that's for color funny and say falls here.
Like here.
Yeah. Interesting. So this is one you do already. Oh.
Oh, you see, we have this one. I water that. I water?
Water is actually liquid.
Yes, it is.
And also my water is actually water.
This is the next farm location. He's burning something. Yeah. All the way down there? Oh, you carry from here to go over there. So this go under the earth to eat up them greenhouse up here? Yeah. Yeah. So you burn the chimney here and the fireplace here eat up the greenhouse and everything. Let out some smoke. Outside here to warm up the greenhouse. Ooh. Smoke. Oh, so what kind of farming them do over here, sir? Or this is like machine? Oh, and this land here go back to cabbage and all them things. Oh, okay. Oh, so just let them go over there. Oh, just let them go. See bird there. What kind of bird that? Eh? Yes. Oh.
Daddy.
Hmm? Here's a pig. Pig are fat too, you know, watch him. Watch him, sir. A piglet. Big fat pig, man, watch him, sir. So, like, after spring gonna start, cultivate yourself. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's in the plant apple as well. Okay. Everything. So now you know this kilo and then big again put on the jerk pan, right? Winter is just finishing up, coming on to spring. Time is still cold, snows fall sometime, rain and everything. Still cold. But soon it will be up and running again and all the guys will be here. Working. Providing for your family back home. Oh, wait, go back. Greenhouse. Oh, last stop of the day, the greenhouse. Oh, you can't see. What can I see them here? Where, sir? Fog up. Camera fog up.
These are like a spinach.
Oh, spinach, baby spinaches.
These are onion, green onion.
Yeah. Okay.
Sweet pepper.
Sweet pepper. Cabbage. Oh. And it's a green onion as well. Cabbage.
Young leeks. These are onion.
Onion.
So we are cleaning up the greenhouse over there.
Oh, okay. It moves over there. Camera fog up every 2 minutes. Alright, let's go. Yeah, due to the heat inside there and the moisture, the camera keep fogging up. Yeah. And the moisture inside the greenhouse caused the camera to be fogged. Anyways. Go. Oh, it's that strawberry farm here, so. Yeah, I see it. Oh, man, no, man. Yeah, it's just a big place, man. So that is now like around 50 man there. 20. Oh, you're in the store after. Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I run them on the conveyor and pack them off back there, so. So Irish potato and all that ginger. Irish potato. I don't know, beet. A beet in here? Mm-hmm. This is the storage here. Oh, for over-season time. Red potato, white potato, keep everything fresh. Yeah, and see a fresh.
them there.
Yeah.
Cabbage them there.
Oh, okay.
Send them.
Oh, and then Napa cabbage, right? White potato. Yeah, man.
Bye bye.
Alright. That's it. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Peace out.
Wait, also I forgot to say something.
What do you want to say?
Subscribe to my to Daddy's channel.
Until next time.